I will explain to you how to reset the engine oil life system for the Chevy Avalanche 2005. To reset the engine oil life system, you will get message from DAC when you turn on check engine oil. So the first step, you will turn on the key and after that you will replace the accelerator for the first time fully with the results. So we'll start now. We'll change the position from here. Engine oil life 0%. So now we turn off, turn on. You replace the accelerator and the release for the 3 times for the oil life reset. So now you get 100%.